Hello and welcome back to my garage again. Welcome to Tell's Garage, or Tell's Workshop. Right, today, I've already taken the bumper off. Now we are on the front panel, so this thing, the front panel. So I'll put this down here. Put that up there, like that. See that? So it's this panel. Held on by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts, all 13 mil. Very simple. Got this wire coming through here. Just pull that out like so. Now normally you would use a ratchet, but I'm going to use my rattle gun, my old ragga dagger. And we just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've given them a little oil as well, and I've already blasted them off as well. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She's up. Right, there we go. In a box. Box plenty. Right, that's loose. This side there's like a little collar that comes off of the chassis leg at the end, and it's tight, so you have to kind of give it a wiggle. There it is. It's there. Goes into that hole there, and sometimes it gets stuck. But there's your panel there. So make it nice and simple. You can kind of see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the hole which it gets jammed in. Simple as. And that is alley as well, so nice and light as well. There you go. Right. Now out the radiator. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hope it's been helpful. If it has, please like and subscribe.